I repeat, these are only tests.
Okay.
May I have your attention, please? We're about to conduct the monthly test of the fire alarm system. Alarms will be sounding for a short period of time. However, these are only tests. I repeat, these are only tests. Thank you.
Perfect. This is the monthly test of the fire alarm system at the Maple Park, Mississauga, Ontario. It should sound off in about a minute or so, or less. Okay, that's it, I think. I think we're done. So yes, today is February 9th, Thursday, 2017, and that was the monthly test. I think next month they do the annual testing, like, for a week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you later.